Hello, I'm Lisa Young. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about 3 different accordion concertina journals. The first journal is a generic journal. It's 300 GSM hot press paper and it's 4 by 5 inches in size. The next is Fabriano Concertina, and it's a 4 by 6 inch in size and 260 GSM sketch paper. This sketch paper accepts watercolor very well. I love this journal, but it's very difficult to find. This journal is the Etcher Accordion journal, and it's 220 GSM hot press paper, and it's 8 by 5 inches in size. This journal is lovely. I love everything about it. This Etcher journal I used for my Europe vacation, and it was really nice because I liked using the concertina for the reason that you can flow one page into the other, and they kind of all connect in a way that you can, like, one area kind of leads into the next. So I loved doing this, and I loved the size. It was just slightly bigger than a pocket size journal, and it just worked really nice for pockets and for stashing things. I just really enjoyed this journal. This is a generic version of the Accordion Concertina Journal, and it's $10. It has 300 GSM watercolor paper. Really enjoyed this journal. I have several of them. It's a little bit tinier, a little bit smaller, sorry, than the Fabriano, but I really enjoyed it. The only thing I don't like is no rubber band closure. That was a setback for me, but I still love it. So this journal is the Fabriano. It is not a watercolor journal, but it's got good quality sketch paper, and I have not missed out on the watercolor paper here. I feel like it holds up really well. You can see here it's pretty sturdy. I add all kinds of things to it, and it holds up. I like the size of it. The paper's great. But my favorite is this cover that it has, that it kind of protects these pages, and it still has the quality of a concertina that you can just kind of make it big and fat without worrying about it being putting too much pressure on the spine and the binding. I just enjoy these journals. I filled 2. I think I've filled 2 already. Love this journal. It is difficult to find, but you can find it. You just have to search.